Buenos días mis amigos, aquí estoy tomándome mi cafecito y como verán mis huesitos y mis cartílagos me mandaron a ponerme un guantecito de estos, así que lo compré hoy y está nítido, está nítido. O era la inyección de cortisona por aquí, entre medio del dedo gordo y la palma, que me duele mucho, 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 pero nada. O el guantecito. Yo dije el guantecito porque ya yo estoy cansada de esas inyecciones de cortisona. Anyways, hoy estoy aquí para enseñarles la bella flor de la Calla Lili. Y se supone que lo estoy diciendo en inglés. Oh my goodness. Good morning, my friends. This project that I'm doing now is the Calla Lili, and I'm gonna make like a bouquet for a friend. It's like the rainbow colors, the 6 colors of the rainbow. So I'm gonna do these ones for you guys. It's in white, but I'm doing these ones for a wedding, okay? So this is a foam sheets that I'm using, like this one, see? I'm using the foam, I'm using the floral tape, and instead of gluing it together, I'm using the string. So you can use the fish string. I'm using where is I got a mess over here. Oh, yo lo guardé. It's right here. This one is really tiny. See, you can see it. It's really tiny, but then in the video I will show you how to tie the petal to the flower, to the stem. Okay, I'm using the template. It's 6 from the top to the base is 6 inches, and wide is 3 1/4. You can read right here. 6 inches and 3 1/4, and then the base is just 1/2 inch. Okay, I got this little cut over here, but you don't have to do it. You can leave it like this. I did it like, see, you can leave it straight. So just cut it and leave it straight like that. See. I use chalk colors, pastel, these ones, and I'm using the yellow and the green for the base of the petal right here in the front. I color it yellow, and in the back I color it green from like the half of the flower down. Okay, just this part. You're gonna use this, you're gonna use the template, you're gonna use the string, the floral tape, the wire. Where is my wires? I got this wire is 18 gauge, and it was 19 or 18 also, 18 long, and I cut it in half, so I'm using 9 inch for the stem. Okay, right here. It's 9 inches. And then for the pastel, I'm using this little from Dollar Tree, the stems, chenille stems. I'm using color gold. You can use any color. Also for the the flower, you can use any color also. I'm using these colors because I'm doing the rainbow color. But I'll show you the finished one in white. This one is the one I'm doing in this project also to show you. And then you're using a hair dryer or any kind of dryer you got. The heat. See, I got the heat um, craft tool, this one, to bend the foam to give the flower this form, okay? With the heat. See, after it's heated, it doesn't go anywhere and it looks so real. See that? And I will show you in the video also. So if you apply heat in front of the petal is going to turn inside. So you have to do it in the back, okay? Always in the back, and that way it take this form. You're gonna fold um out, out. If you do it in the top, it's gonna fold to the inside. So this is the form that you want to the outside, like this. See? Look beautiful. You will see you're gonna like it. And it's so easy to make it. It's easy, easy, easy. So let's do it.
Okay, over here I'm gonna show you I'm gonna give you the measurements is again, so it's 6 from top to bottom, long side is 6 inches, and wide is 3 1/4 of inch. Okay, the base is 1/2 inch, just 1/2 inch. You cannot if you don't want do that cut that I got in the base, you can leave it straight. Okay, I'm using these ones for the bouquet that I told you before. For the wedding, it's like a rainbow. I'm using this chenille's stem. So this is gold. They come in different colors, and in the Dollar Tree you can buy it. I'm using a wired 18 gauge, 18 long, and I cut it in half, 9 inches. You're gonna use the pliers, noodle, nose pointy and cut. You're gonna use the floral tape, the chalks. I'm using yellow, and I'm using the sponge, yellow and green, and the really skinny string. You can use sewing, uh, the ones that you use for sewing. I'm using this one is like a rubber, and this is the materials that you need. And the foam, I'm using pieces that I have around, so I'm not tracing it because I don't want the pencil trace on my foamy, because it's not that easy to erase it. So I'm using just the template and cut it like that, and I'm gonna leave the base straight like that. So in the middle with your thumbs you're gonna make like a little, this is too fast for me. So the chalk, you can use chalk, you can leave it white, you don't need to color it. I'm coloring it because it looks more natural. So in the back I'm using the green, and you can push as much of your want. It's not it's to the you desire. Okay, the wire we're gonna, in one end we're gonna fold it like this, and we're gonna introduce the shimmies in there, the little string for the stem, and turn it like that. Just, you know, follow your intuition and do it the way you want it, like that. I'm doing this way because it's easier for me and my little fingers. And you have your stem for the middle, and try to put it right there in the middle. See, bend just the base and hold it. Use the string, and if you're gonna use the glue gun, then you can do that too, but to me it's easier this way. So I try to do everything easier for my hands, and you don't get no burn. And make a little knots in there and pull it. Just tie it, and the remain of the string just put it down, and use your floater tape to cover every piece of the strings like this, and go down, and there I go up again to make it more full, to give the little stem, you know, like a bigger form, like that. See, is really so easy. You got your flower. Now we get our heat gun and apply the heat to the outside of the petal. And this is really time consuming, so you have to be patient because it's not 1 2 3. This is take your time. Okay, apply it and keep applying on one side. I'm doing one side first and then the other. One side first, and you will see how it start to bend. You can see it, the form is getting a form. And then I apply to the other side because I get tired. My hands are not that good, so but you can see the form. See, the bend is bending to the outside, and like I said before, if you apply the heat in top of the petal's gonna go, it's gonna like a close instead of opening. That way that I'm doing right here, you giving the petal the form to the outside, and it looks so real. It's like using a Calla Lili in your hands. It's taking the form like that. See, you can see it is time consuming, but it's worth it. The final step is so you're gonna be so happy with it. I bet kids would love to do this. You can see the form. It's taking the form right there. See, you can see it. And see the colors also. I just use a little bit. I'm not using that much. So see, and then you fix like that, and you have your flower. Okay, let's show you. I finished my rainbow Calla lilies. See, all of them right here. So they're so easy that you can do it in one day. You can do the whole. You can do a bunch of them, and then make a nice bouquet. For this bouquet, it is for a wedding. I'm gonna use these little beads. I saw it in the store and I bought it because I like it. So I'm gonna open this and add just few, not the whole thing. So I'm gonna take it out of the stem, so that way I can use the crystals and see beads and crystals. It's really nice. So it's gonna be gorgeous. I'm gonna take a picture after I finish and I'm gonna put it in my page. Subscribe to my channel, like it, and share the videos. Okay, I love you. God bless you. Have a nice weekend. Today's Monday. Hello. Have a nice week. I'm always okay. Oh, I'm gonna show you also the last one I make. Which one was it? Oh, this one. Let me show you. It's like a dahlia. This one is a dahlia. Look, it's orangey, and I make a little bud right here too. See, with a little. This is crepe paper, crepe paper, but it's really nice. And this is easy also. I'm going to show you how to do it later in different video. Okay, so this is going to be the next one. Look, have a good day. Bye bye. Love you.